Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make shortcut on the Snapchat. So if you want to create a shortcuts for the streak on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat. Now click a picture. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the send to, and here you will see on the top a shortcut button. Simply tap on it. After that click on the new shortcut. Now you have to select the friend that you want to add in this shortcut. So I have added two friends right here. Now click on the choose emoji and you can set any emoji for it. And once you will do it, after that click on the create shortcut. Once you will do it, your shortcut is here. Simply you can send streaks from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.